How to use Lyft Express Pay to get paid instantly. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft Express Pay to get instantly. So to do this procedure, you need to go ahead and open up your Lyft Driver's app first of all. Unfortunately, I do not have a driver's account, so I cannot show you the further procedure. The next thing you want to do is tap the account button. So that's going to be located in a menu bar, or you could go to settings. Then you could go and tap on pay and tax info. Next you want to do is tap setup express pay. After that, you need to enter your debit card number and wait for the verification text message. Follow the text instructions to confirm your changes. Now with Express Pay, you could cash out your earning up to 5 times per day, see the transfer in your bank account within a few hours, and pay $1.25 fee for each transfer. So this way you'll be able to use Lyft Express Pay to get paid instantly. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.